Hello, this is Ryan. Today, Monday, March 11, 2024. I'll start on US Swiss. US Swissy. I want to point out that 50 minutes yesterday on Friday last week, we point out that this high was the draw when price was here, that it was going to hold and then go higher because we took out this sell side liquidity and then close in this inverse, right, while also reacting to this order block that becomes propulsion here, propulsion block, and price hits it and slams. Monday we see price taking in all this liquidity, and I think it's just a retracement. Yeah, just a retracement for continuation to the upside. Let's see. Oh wait, today's news, there's nothing really. Probably have something 9:30, 10 as usual. So it's the 3 months. These are equal low. Order flow is bearish, so this is key. The buy side displays lower. This candle is an outside bar. Displaces. We have no busy. Price went to here. Okay, I'd like to point out. Okay, not this. This is an order block. That's all I could see. Then monthly, we see this CB that was respected. CB was respected. What else? This is a bearish order block, and price is currently in the min threshold. Right, min threshold is here, and our highest candle is this one. We have yet to push price to that level. What else? Check the weekly now. On the weekly, we are reacting and respecting that CB found on the monthly chart. So where's our next draw? We have this, which price hits perfectly, I think. No, left a bit of space. Since this is the weekly, I'm gonna point a bit longer. There's also fair value gap, which is interesting. I'm going to do that. Okay, that's all I see. We do have this bearish order block. The weekly bearish order block. Point that out. Okay. Monday. Okay, no, this is still the weekly. So I could still see price coming below and revisiting this place, because we reacted off a premium CB in a higher time frame. Most likely gonna hit this here. Go to daily. Okay, now we're in the daily. We we see Tuesday high of the week, Friday. So this was a bearish week like we predicted on Wednesday. And NFP was this wick, long wick. We didn't went to this though, but we did take sell side liquidity right here. You can see price actually getting with this SIBI. After taking sell side liquidity off, so you can see sell side liquidity ran, and we have this in place, SIBI. Okay, we did react to this order block on the daily. This is a bearish order block in line with the SIBI, and this is a breaker. Oh yeah, let's try to find breakers. This is a breaker. This blue line is a breaker. And wow, this is a bullish breaker. Pew. Yep. Bearish order block, bullish order block, CASD, Marshall Shift, breaker block right there. So this fair value gap. But we do have this order block. Do we have breakers in here? We might have one here in the making. Okay, so since this is a breaker, I'll probably visit this SIBI most likely. What next though? Don't know. I don't know. Start of the week, yeah. What do I see? I have this relative equal highs, SIBI, then we have double bottoms in line with the order block and BSC. We failed to close into that. We only took this liquidity, which was seemingly enough, but I think price is just going here for rebalancing the SIBI and then continues the downward movement perhaps. But of course fundamentals in dollars are telling us that price wants to go up. I actually have an indicator which I made. So when the red line goes above the blue line, usually dollar rise, which we currently seeing. So we're also at premium of this range. This is the oversold, overbought, and it's oversold. You see that the dollar actually aggressively moved lower to this gap, and it's reacting off of it on NFP. Could just be a rebalance, right, and then go up. We have this intermediate term low that rebalanced this BSC. This intermediate term low as well. When price breaks this intermediate term low, we can see price going into this BSC. But before that, I want to see price respecting the SIBI, making a swing high. This will confirm that this is a breaker, this is a long-term high, and that new anticipated swing high will become our intermediate term high, which will push price into this fair value gap BSC. I think this was a weekly BSC. Currently, I don't see trade. We have a small imbalance there. SIBI, have this bearish order block. Should we aim for that? I don't know. We did take sell side liquidity and mostly bullish, but we came in contact with that higher time frame resistance. So I like it better that if we touch this weekly. Since we didn't touch it, I'm afraid if this was just a liquidity, engineered liquidity, because we see this low bottom, this low becomes relative equal lows. Just dangerous for me in my opinion. Okay, so my indicator is to see price go to that CB, make a swing high, then goes down, actually go down to here. I like the consequent better, but we can aim for this sell side liquidity. I like the gaps better, but keep in mind we might see bullish dollar, so I guess this is enough reaction on a bullish order block. Should be fine. Okay, now that we're in, I can't really put in any words here. We're probably gonna reach the CB, which we already have, perhaps. Yep, have this resistance, buy stop liquidities, right? Looking like we once went down in discount, and then price push up, maybe clearing this buy side liquidity into this CB. We're not hitting it yet though. We did. Okay. Let me check on. Yeah, we did. We did hit it. Okay. So go. Let me check 1 hour, 4 hour. This is a big outside bar. Price creates a bunch of build up liquidity. You could see an expansion out of this Friday's NFP. I think it was NFP, right? Yep. It's a big outside bar that took sell side liquidity. You could probably see price coming up. Have this higher time frame CB. Some resting liquidity, but no setups. Either we do that or we displace up. Daily. Either we make a swing high or we break above and use this for price to target at least this high. Maybe that rejection block right here. Maybe there. I like this one. Okay. My plan, simple. Okay. It either makes a swing high or close that CB. What else? What else do I see? Oh yeah, we have this liquidities. We are currently on March, so speedy array, sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity. I guess we could aim for this high. That should be possible. That is possible. Let's aim for this one. The upper CB in higher time frame. We could see price reaching there or reaching to this order block and upper FEG PC. It all depends if we close in this inverse now. So I want to see that. We close it, then we might see up movement, but for now, no trades. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq. 3 months, we made a new high. do some measurements. The body of the candle. Okay, we reached 27, so 62 is a possibility. Go to monthly. Can do another measurement here. Instead, let's do a deviation. See if anything connects with this. So it's in the range of 2 and 2.5 standard deviation. But let's do it on the breaker. Here's our breaker. The negative 1.5 should be our closest one. Closest draw. So I'm gonna mark that out. $18.66 7.9. We're so close to it. Monthly, just a lot of busy. Price reacted this order block, rises, reacted to this high, this up close candle, and then rise. Okay, bullish of course. Then see here, so many monthly order flow is bullish. On weekly, we see this one we marked before, if you remember. This is a bullish order block. There we go. Bullish order block on a daily. We broke a swing high, created a swing low. Destroys a swing high, created a swing low. Destroys swing high. Do we create a swing low? I want to see price creates a swing low. That should be optimal for price to reach that draw up there, but this could be a draw as well. See how it respects it. If we make another up move, what's the low of this? 17789. This down close candle, 178. Okay, I need to see a swing low form. I'm gonna see swing low, so it'll be like that. Of course, reaching here. Okay, go to the daily. Now daily is interesting. Sell-side liquidity rate, order block, respecting it, respecting the opening price. This is a breaker. Respected that breaker as well. Breakers are powerful. We have this FVG in line with that breaker, so a unicorn. Price went up, went lower, comes up, went lower. This low right here rebounds this busy, and this low rebounds this intermediate term low, and this is also intermediate term low. I want to see price breaking this while it creates a swing low. So this should be our projection in price for it to make a swing low that does not break this low right there. I want to see swing low form. That would be beautiful. Broke this high. I'm gonna create swing low. Should we trade? I don't know. What's the target? Nothing yet. But maybe we can find something in 4 hour. We do have this relative equal lows. This is considered intermediate term low. I'm not fun to trade into. Yep. Okay. Where's our liquidities? Yeah, here. We have the CB. Price has yet take this low. And it respected this bearish order block. So this must be the next drawing price. But I don't want this low to be broken. Maybe take this. Maybe price just wants to take this sell side liquidity, then push price up into the CB, maybe above. I'm gonna take note of the CB. This is interesting. If we can inverse this or make a swing, well, that should be great. I'm looking longs on NQ, not short. But if we were to go short, take this buy side liquidity, displace lower, we did CB. We have this busy, we didn't make any swing low. If we take out this low, which is most probable, do we have a chance to go here? Looking at this price action, probably not. It needs to go to the CB to take more liquidity before it wants to price lower to this low. The open float's so bullish, so if it wants to go to this and break this intermediate term low, it needs to go up and take more liquidity. Engineering it, and then comes up to the CB, then drops price eventually. This is clean, man. I'm only gonna take trades as we inverse the CB. Maybe we can look for trades to this intermediate term. Maybe. Do we? Do we? You know what? Let's see. It just doesn't look that great. Just too much wicks. I do love this one. Let's drop the H1. Maybe you could see something. So there's resting liquidity here, probably down here. We reacted off this big bullish order block. Price went up. Consolidates, taking liquidity in this candle. Tries to drive up, failed. And went lower, creating a bearish order block. Where's our bearish order block? It's here. Great, price is respecting it. You probably see price went lower. You can see price go lower to this point. Let me check this high. This high is on 18036 and this high is 18036.6.9. This is longer. Therefore, our bullish order block is actually this one. Right there. This becomes a propulsion. This one is an order block, rebounds the CB, intermediate term low, high, and we went lower, created that swing high, and then propulsion. This is a propulsion. We have the SIBI, so this is looking great. I guess I can short this. I can short this if we inverse this busy. Right. And I want to see price respecting this. Well, at least make a swing high within this range. Maybe using this SIBI. Inverse busy. I want to see price respecting this. If we can respect this point, then we could maybe go for lower. But this points as well. So I'm just gonna mark those two. There. What else? This is propulsion. Okay. I'm gonna drop to the 50 minutes. Wow, look at that. See that? That is a good reaction. So yep, we're saying this is a swing high. We bounce this SIBI. Our draw is down here. We also have double bottoms. We inverse this busy. If we close, probably gonna send lower now. Of course, ideally, I like this to at least touch this inverse. But if we inverse this busy, that's okay too. We got like 12 more minutes. We might not have a setup if we hit this draw. Okay, I like this. Yeah, we have the setup. Price going to reach here. If we trade it at 7, we might have a setup, which would be interesting. Target the lows. Yeah, we're taking the sell side liquidity. I don't think. Yeah, definitely gonna reach here. If we don't, and the candle closes, we might find some good entry for sell side liquidity. Still 15 more minutes, 11 minutes more. We will probably see momentum on 9:30. Ah, time zone, UTC 4. New York, New York. Oh, wrong time zone. So it should be 10:30 instead of 9:30. Okay. So expect some volatility here. Okay, we hit that sell side liquidity. So I guess that's it. No trades. If we went in early at 7, maybe we could find some setup, but I wanted to set strict time so that I don't need to be on charge from 7 to 12. That's like 5 hours screen time. Great. No setup. So I don't have setup here. do know if we eventually go up here, might see something. Other than that, I guess I'm not gonna trade it anymore. Nope. Yeah. But the dollar, I want to see bullishness though. So check the 4-hour. So many interesting liquidity. That looks so clean. Very dangerous. I have this double top as well. This might be interesting. Created a triple top. Might to sell side liquidity in this candle. Breakers. Looks like we're piercing into the SIBI. And this line, blue line, is the bearish breaker, higher time frame. Looks like we are reacting off of that. I like this swing low. I don't think price will hit that. We have the SIBI. Pricing to take that buy side into this. I like that. That would have been my setup. And on this candle, once it's closed, look for 1 minute entry to target that buy side. In here, there's the bearish order block. Just reacts, went down. And probably takes also liquidity there. Goes up, closing this gap. Protecting this low, their sponsorship. Fine. Keep this in mind. Also, this. Yep, that looks clean. Have this fair value up in line with this order block. Very beautiful. If price go here, it possibly go up there. It's a possibility. This is a higher time frame breaker. Price took salsa liquidity, did not rebalance any gap. Keep that in mind. Then went higher, reacted to SIBI, went lower. We do have a market structure shift, but no breakers. Maybe one here. No. We do have this order block. CISD, this busy price rebalance, created swing low. Price. So this swing low should be well protected. This swing low and this swing low. This one not too much. That could just be a relatively cool low. If price breaks below here, or if it closes the SIBI, if this inverse SIBI gets another closed, it could probably potentially target this low. So if price came all the way down here, do that, it probably reach for that sell side liquidity. But that's just too long to see. the most probable one at this current time is that SIBI right there. I want to see reaction on this red line. Bullish order block. Well, within this inverse. This bullish order block is inside this busy and inverse SIBI. So I like to see reaction off of this one. To be strong enough for price to push that high. Internal range to external, external to internal. Internal is here. Higher time from external into higher time from internal. Lower time from internal to lower time from external and higher time from internal. Okay. This should hold those people who shorted this inverse. No, shorted the SIBI. Will they? We have market structure shifts. Do have this liquidity grab right there. What is this? This is a bullish flag. People got stopped out. Slips up, creates a breaker. Price did not close in that breaker. This breaker, yeah. Then they retraced deeply. Did not break the breaker's low. Created that busy, unicorn busy, create that swing low. Generating liquidity, price failed, take this high, decides to take more liquidity. Eventually price breaks aggressively, if that's SIBI, taking the sell side liquidity. Once he got here, he was satisfied, started retracing up, eventually closed in that SIBI again, like previously people went down to take sell side liquidity. Now it's inverse, yeah, we're looking bullish. I'll target this high if price decides to come down. So if it goes here, or from there here. There's two ways. There's always two ways. I'm gonna see swing low into this busy. 11:30, then 1. 11:30, there's 2 event. So 11:30 is the last volatility injection. 11:30 will be the last volatility injection. 2 events. If I don't see anything until here, then I will not trade it. Or if we break above this high, then I will not trade it. Now with the 5-minute, price seems to be respecting this order block very, very well. If you look at the order blocks open, that is precise. We are respecting that. So we're gonna target this high. Next, market maker buy model. I'll see it in 1 minute. Yeah, we might not have a setup today as well. This looks swing high. Takes us liquidity. Break the swing high. Microstructure shifted. This is an order block. Price went into this order block 2 times. Went up and now goes down. Took this buy side liquidity. Tries to go down, cannot. Tries to go up, cannot. Take note that we don't have any busy for entries. We do have the SIBI, the only SIBI that was closed in. So this should be high probability draw in the 1 minute. Yeah, price reach it before we could do anything. Okay then, boys, no trades as well. See you guys tomorrow, Tuesday. We'll probably see a lot more movement. Then we can determine trading days of the week, weekly profile. There's a lot of news. Inflation rate 830. So planning to get in the market at 8 o'clock. And be done at 9:30 perhaps. Okay, that's all to it. See you guys Tuesday.